Hello, yes, welcome to my channel. So today our topic is normal to the parabola. Okay, so okay, what is the equation of the normal to the parabola at the given point? Okay, yes. So before going to that, so first of all we are going to discussing about what is the equation of the tangent at that point on the parabola. Okay, from the last video already we discussed about this equation of the tangent in the different forms. Of course, equation of the tangent at one point is given. We have the basic formula. Okay, yes. So come on, let us see first of all for the given parabola y square is equals to 4x. What is the equation of tangent? What is the equation of the tangent at the given point P? So which is x1 y1. So to that parabola y square equals to 4ax. Okay, yes, we have the basic formula which is s1 is equals to 0, where s is y square minus 4ax. So which is y1, okay, minus 2a of x plus x1 equals to 0, right or not? Yes, for this one, what is the slope of the tangent? So what is the slope of the tangent? This is minus x quotient by y quotient. So which is, so it is 2a. Okay, yes, it is 2a by y quotient is y1. This is actually slope of the tangent. Now we are going to discussing about the equation of the normal at the point. So actually normal, what is the definition of a normal? So which is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact, right or not? Yeah. Now, so what is the slope of the normal? So slope of tangent is 2a by y1, then slope of normal is, yes. So then the slope of the normal, this is m1, let us take it is m2, which is minus y1 by 2a. So we know that product of the slopes equals to minus 1 when the two lines are perpendicular. Yes. Now equation of normal, I am going to find equation of normal. Okay. So which is at the point P. So y minus y1 equals to, which is minus y1 by 2a of x minus x1. Okay, yes. So this is the equation of the normal at the given point. So y minus y1 equals to minus y1 by 2a of x minus x1, equation of the normal. So at the given point P, x1 y1 on the parabola. Okay, so let us see this. So next we are going to discussing about the different forms of the normal, I mean at the point which is in parametric form. So what is the equation of the normal and what is the equation of the normal in slope form? Okay, yes, so let us see, we will discuss about that one. So come on, please make a note this one. Yeah, so now we are going to discussing about the equation of the normal in parametric form. Okay, yes. So equation of normal at the given point is y minus y1 is equals to minus y1 by 2a of x minus x1, just now we discussed. Now we are going to discussing about the parametric form. Okay, now the point is in parametric form, it is, so x equals to a t square, y equals to 2at, am I right or not? Parametric form, the point also in parametric form, just substituting this value. So it is y minus y1, what is the y coordinate of that, the point in parametric form, which is 2at, okay, equals to minus y1 by, so it is minus 2at by 2a of x minus x1, x1 is a t square. Okay, yes, 2a get cancelled. Okay, yes, which is y minus 2at equals to minus x into t minus t into x. So next plus t with at square is at cube. Okay, yes, simplifying this one, this is y plus xt equals to 2at plus at cube, right or not? So this is the equation of the normal at that point P, which is in parametric form. Simply I can write what is the equation of the normal at the point T, means the point is in parametric form, which is y plus xt is equals to 2at plus at cube. Please observe this one. This is an equation of the normal and this is the same equation in terms of t, where t has 3 values. Okay, this is a third degree equation in terms of t. That means, so from this I can conclude that. So at the given point 3, the maximum normals, how many normals I can draw in terms of t is a third degree equation, that means I can draw the 3 normals. So, for the given parabola, maximum how many normals we can draw? That's 3 normals. So, that is one of the very important points. Okay, in the objective point of view, they are going to giving that one parabola equation. How many normals we are going to draw? That one, maximum 3. Okay, so but it is not the meaning of for every parabola we can draw the 3 normals, maximum 3 normals. Sometimes we may get that only 2 normals, sometimes we may get the only 1 normal. Okay, in that concept they are going to asking about that question. Okay, yes, come on students, make a note, we will discuss about that problems also. Okay, yes, please. Now we are going to discussing about the equation of the normal in slope form. What is that? It is in slope form. Okay, yes, come on. So, already equation of the normal at the given point P x1 y1 is y minus y1 is equals to minus y1 by 2a of x minus x1. What is this? Minus y1 by x1 is the slope of the normal. Okay, not? Yes. So, the same thing I can write y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1, right or not? So, this is the thing, y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. Here, what is the slope? M equals to minus y1 by 2a. Then, so what is y1 value? Minus 2am. Please observe this one. I am going to finding the point in terms of slopes. Okay, y1 is minus 2am. This y1 value is substituting in the parabola, right? Now, I can get y1 square, that means 4a square m square. y1 square is equals to 4ax. So, 4ax, I mean 4ax1, the point is lies on the parabola. Okay, both sides of 4a get cancelled. So, what is the x1 is am square. What is x1 is am square. Yes, the same values are substituting here. Okay, x1 is am square, y1 is minus 2am. This means y minus, so y1 value is minus 2am, this is plus 2am equals to m into x minus, yes, am square. Okay, yes, come on, simplify this one. Y plus 2am is equals to mx minus am cube. Okay, then I can write y equals to mx minus 2am minus am cube. This is the equation of the normal, right? Equation of the normal in slope form, where slope m, what is m? Is the slope of the normal. So, y equals to mx minus 2am minus am cube. Yes, once again I am reminding you, slope is m, I got the value m in terms of third degree equation, right or not? This is a third degree equation in terms of m. That means, and again what can you conclude this one? Equation of the normal whose slope is m. So, it is a third degree equation in terms of m, means which has 3 values for m. That means, we can get the 3 normals. Okay, right? Once again it is proved that. Yeah, yes, come on, we will move to the next topic. So, the very important topic. Yes, come on students, please make a note. Okay, so the next thing is the normal chord to the parabola. So, what is the meaning of normal chord? Okay, let us see. So, at the point T1, this is equation of tangent, this is equation of the tangent, and this is the normal. Okay. If you are going to draw the normal at the point T1, that normal and again meets the parabola at another point. Yes, come on please. So, if you are going to draw the normal at the point T1, this normal meets and again the parabola at another point T2. Then in that case this normal becomes chord. Generally chord means line joining of any 2 points on the curve is called chord. Actually when the chord becomes normal, okay, yes, this normal at the point T1 meets the parabola and again at T2, then this normal becomes chord. That line is called normal chord. Normal becomes chord. Okay, that is called a normal chord. Okay, yes, what is the equation of the normal chords? So, very important thing. Yes, come on, what is the relation between T1 and T2? Yeah, so what is the equation of the normal at the point T1? So, equation of normal at T1, okay, equals to, so y plus xt is equals to 2at plus 8t cube. Just now we discussed about this one. So, at the point T1, 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 T1. Okay, not? Yes. Now, it is passing through T2. It is passing through T2. So, T2 means actually what is a T2? A T2 square and 2A T2. A T2 square and 2A T2. Am I right or not? Yes. So, come on, substitute the values. So, y value is 2A T2. 2A T2 plus x coordinate is A T2 square, okay. So, into T1 equals to, it is 2A T1 plus A T1 cube, right or not? Yes, come on. So, all the terms are transformed to right side. So, this is 2A of T2 minus T1. So, please see this one, 2A of T2 minus T1, yes. And from these two terms, can I take A T1 common? A T1 common, this is T2 square minus T1 square is equals to 0, right. So, from all those can I take that A of T2 minus T1 taken out common, from these two terms A of T2 minus T1 common, then what can you get? So, here it is 2, here it is 2 plus, okay, yes, it is T1 into T2 plus T1 is equals to 0. Okay, by taking the A into T2 minus T1 common, here it is the 2. So, A taken out common, T2 minus T1, remaining is the T2 plus T1. Okay, here the product of two factors is equals to 0, either first one is 0 or second one is 0. So, here this should be not equals to 0. Why? Because if this is equals to 0, T2 is equals to T1, but here clearly T1 and T2 are different points, that is why I cannot equating to 0. That means this should be equals to 0. What this is? So, 2 plus T1 T2 plus T1 square is equals to 0, right or not? So, this will be the condition that for the normal chord. Okay. So, very important thing in the objective point of view, the normal which is drawn at the point T1 which meets and again the parabola at T2, this is called a normal chord. Okay. Then what is the relation between the T1 and T2 is T1 square plus T1 T2 plus 2 is equals to 0. So, that is the condition for the T1 T2 for the normal chords. Okay. Yes, students, this is about that normal to the parabola and different forms of that normal. Okay. So, which is in parametric form, which is in slope form, and this is about the normal chord. Okay. So, next video we will discuss about that some more conditions about the normal, particularly co-normal points like this, how many normals we can draw to the given parabola. So, very important concept that is. So, be ready for the next video. So, until then, bye bye.